Help support the companies that support our community. There we go. It's a piece of Acacia, and it just has some cool bug tracks in it all around where right underneath the bark. So I was able to save all those. It is 8.5 inches across the top of it and 5 inches tall. So when you're turning something like this, if you've never done anything like this, remember that when you're coming in from the side, because it's not like a regular bowl where it's round, you need to come in and go down, straight down. So like the very first one I made, I just came in and like dished it out, so the wall thickness here was super thin, and then you get down in here and it was thick. So when you're doing this, you're going straight down on it like this, and it seems weird, but you're making the wall thickness even all the way down. So just kind of keep that in mind. And the other thing is too, it's keep the lathe speed up, especially for something like this. And so when after I got the outside of it roughed up, I bumped the lathe speed up to 2,000 RPMs. So when I was hollowing this thing out, it's running about 2,000. And it's just easier to turn something like this when it's going faster like that. If it's going slow, there's more chance of that tool coming through this air right here and catching. So make sure you bump the speed up, make sure it's, you know, pretty stable piece of wood, but get the lathe speed up and get it turned. But just beautiful piece of acacia. It's got some great color and all those worm tracks. I did kind of I have some dental picks I have here. And so I kind of cleaned out some of the debris in a bunch of them to get it opened up. But it was a fun one. I really like how it turned out. All right, hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next week. Oh, one other thing, or a couple other things. We got the craft festival coming up next weekend, so it's the 18th. So again, I will put a link down below in the description to that, so you can go check that out, and there'll be a bunch of people on it again. So I hope to see you there. And I think that was it. I'm gonna put this up on my Etsy store. Go over there and check it out, and I have a bunch of other stuff for sale over there as well. All right. Take care, and we'll see you next time.